Alright, we got an N52 and it has an air injection code for the secondary, bank 2, not bank 1. So the valve checked it by blowing through here. Nothing comes out here. That's good. And you blow through here. This guy, that's the inlet, and it comes out there. It's good. If not, you clean it or replace it. Here's the hose. Check this one. Blow on both ends. If it's leaking or broken, replace it. That's the high pressure hose. Here's the pump. If it's making noises, take it apart, clean it or replace it, and just make sure there's no obstructions here. You can turn it on and feel the air coming out of here. If it's good pressure, it's not leaking, good. Check the electrical, see if it's working. So in this case, everything up to here is working. So I turn the engine on when it's cold, and I can see exhaust coming out the front port and very little coming out the back port. That tells me that it's clogged up. So what I'm going to do is put some cleaner through here and shoot it backwards with the compressed air and recheck it later, see if it's good to go after doing all that. But yeah, that's 210mm bolts to access this. But yeah, the port on the front, the port facing forward is bank 1, the one in the back facing the back of the car is bank 2. In this case, bank 2 is damaged, or clogged up, sorry. So I'm gonna go ahead and unclog it with some cleaner, alcohol, brake cleaner, carb cleaner, whatever I got. Alright, so here's the key to making it clean. I basically got an aluminum can, cut out this using the old gasket, and a drill, scissors and a drill, and put it in right here because I want to clean just the back bank. I'm going to install this along with the hose jammed in there, and that guy right there. I'm gonna shoot air in there, but while the engine's running, so it's a little bit sketchy, but I'm gonna fill this thing up with alcohol cleaning solution and just shoot that in while it's running. It's gonna be fun. So excited. Okay, here goes. Don't try this at home. It's dangerous. All right. Compressed air. Ooh. Working. So I'll start it up and see how it sounds. Okay, I just sprayed some of this stuff through here while the engine's running, and got smoke out the tailpipe, which means it's cleaning out the port. Now you can use seafoam or GDI cleaner or something like that. Carb cleaner, it'll all work pretty good. Seems to be more effective while the engine's running. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand, but goes. Cleaner is in. Okay. Check it out. probably flip the gasket around and clean the other side as well. But hey, it works. So yeah, if it works, it works, and you can't really complain.